How to change the hotspot Wi-Fi name on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on general. Now tap on about and then tap on name. Now tap on this backspace key to remove the previous name and then enter the new name that you want to use, and after entering the new name tap on done, and after that the device name will be changed, and changing your device name will also change the mobile hotspot Wi-Fi name. So that's how you can change the hotspot Wi-Fi name on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.